Okay, I just robbed this fucking house, and guess what? They are fucking having sex. Bro, I just got banned, and yet they're doing this shit. Okay. You know what? Let's type some shit. You know what? Shut your bitch ass up. Yeah, shut your bitch ass up. Sabayu. Shut your bitch ass up. Guys, I'm black, by the way. This is an alt account. So yeah, guys, this is what I had to do.
Nice fucking longer and fatter and juicier, little bitch.
At this point, they are fucking doing anal sex.
So I'm doing things into my own hands. The only reason I'm using an AI voice is because I started coughing really violently. I'm a fucking monster who just smoked a cigar, bro.
What the fuck?
For some reason, they're having sex up there. I don't know why people love having sex. Like, this game. Haha. Wait,